Why are you paying $800 for a flight that should cost $400? This summer, millions of travelers will overpay because they keep making the same 5 booking mistakes. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly what those mistakes are and how to fix each one. Mistake number 1, waiting too long to book. For summer flights, the booking window closes fast. Booking 6 to 8 weeks out can save you $150 to $300 per ticket compared to last-minute booking. If you are planning a July trip and it is already June, you are already behind. The fix is simple. Set a fare alert the moment you know your travel dates. Mistake number 2, trusting only one search engine. Google Flights does not show every airline, especially budget and regional carriers. That $217 difference often comes from comparing the same route across multiple platforms. Use a search tool that pulls from hundreds of airlines and agencies in one search. Mistake number 3, flying on the wrong days. Friday and Sunday are consistently the most expensive days to fly during summer. Shifting your trip to a Tuesday or Wednesday can save $80 to $120 on a domestic round trip. Mistake number 4, always booking direct routes without comparing split tickets. Sometimes routing through a layover city can be several $100s cheaper than non-stop. The key is comparing both direct and split ticket options before you commit. Mistake number 5, booking at the first price you see. Airfare can change dozens of times a day, so only travelers with active alerts catch sudden drops. With price tracking enabled, you will be notified the second a deal hits your target price. Enter your route, set your travel window, and let the app monitor hundreds of sources for you. No refreshing, no guessing, just the deal when it appears. Find the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars by using Smart Search and Alerts. Link in bio to book your next flight. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes, and every single one comes down to the same idea. Don't let airlines set the terms for your trip. Book earlier, search smarter, fly on the right days, split the ticket when it makes sense, and never pay the first price you see. Enjoy the journey without breaking the bank.